everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today we're gonna make one of my favorite quick bread recipes, zucchini bread. I have already preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Let's jump right into the ingredients. You will need all-purpose flour, brown sugar, eggs, vegetable oil or canola oil, granulated sugar, baking powder, vanilla extract, baking soda, salt, and zucchini. We're gonna start off by chopping the ends of the zucchini. Using a box grater, grate the zucchini just like so, guys. Next, we're gonna add eggs to the grated zucchini along with white sugar and brown sugar. Then give it a good mix. We're gonna mix all this until well incorporated. Stir in vegetable oil along with vanilla extract. Give it a good mix. Now we're gonna combine all the ingredients. Sift all-purpose flour along with salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Mix all the ingredients until well incorporated. If you like the video so far, give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, we're gonna stop here. We do not want to overmix the batter. Next, we are going to grease our loaf pans. I'm using 8 inches by 4.5 inches loaf pans. Divide the batter among the pans. Once our pans are filled, we're gonna place them on a baking sheet and bake our bread at 350 Fahrenheit for 45 to 60 minutes. The bread is out of the oven. I'm gonna let it cool in pans for 10 minutes before removing to wire racks to cool completely. You can also add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and half a cup of nuts. I like mine this way, guys. It depends on your preference. This easy zucchini bread recipe is sweet and incredibly moist. I hope you'll try this recipe, and please, if you do, leave a comment in the comment section below to let us know how it turned out for you. Guys, please share this recipe with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.